Hey, let me quickly explain how you can charge your JBL Vibe Beam. So first of all, to charge your earbuds, you will have to input them inside the charging case, but also you will have to get some battery in your charging case. So what I mean, you have to just charge your case before you actually start charging your earbuds. And to finish, you'll have to just simply close the case, and now your earbuds will start charging. To recharge the charging case, you can use any USB-C cable, for example double USB-C or USB-C and USB-A, and you can actually connect this inside. You have to actually connect this inside the USB-C port, and this second end of the cable you can connect, for example, to your PC, to your TV, to game console, to monitor, or for example into any charging brick. And you don't actually have to buy any original charging brick from JBL or original cable or from Samsung. As you can see, I'm using old charger from the Huawei phone and also this random charger from Amazon with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, and it works with my buds. And that's how you can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.